Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, finally I'm filming the YouTube video after so long. I have missed you guys so much. I missed YouTube so much. And yeah, finally I'm here. Okay, coming back to the video, as you have noticed that I changed my backdrop, but these two are permanent. I love them so much. Yeah, I'm working on a few stuff for my Instagram videos, Instagram feed, YouTube, just to maintain aesthetic and to give it a more professional look. I don't know if it's even looking professional. You only can tell me how is it. So comment down if you like it or not. Yeah, and I'm here finally filming another fashion video where I'm gonna show you how you can change your boring same old outfit into a new pretty one. I know how much it is exhausting to repeat the same old outfit, not a particular piece, the overall outfit whenever or wherever you go. But if you want the motivation or the inspiration to change the old outfit to a new pretty one, then you should definitely watch this video. I hope you love this video. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching this video. Okay, so starting with the basic outfit, which is jeans and a top. As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt dress as a top and a black slim fit jeans, which is too much boring. At least it's boring for me. I never wear jeans in this way, so I am folding the end part of the jeans to make an illusion of taller shrestha. Yes, it's a hack, and I'll talk about it in another video, not in this. Yeah, so as you can see how it's looking so much chic, and I'm pairing it with a sneaker. I don't know what the heck was I doing. Shit. Yeah, whatever. I'm taking a snoot side bag and my forever watch, and that's it for one. For second outfit, I am wearing this top come outfit. I don't remember why when I bought it. I don't like wearing this dress or whatever, so I'm using a belt to wrap around. I think now this looks cute, at least better than the previous one. What say guys? Comment down if you like this transformation or not, whatever. So yeah, and that's it for second outfit, and I am kind of liking it. Now I'm wearing another basic outfit, which is top and a palazzo. I have seen many people wearing a top like this when they wear palazzo, so I'm using a rubber band to tie a knot in the front part of the t-shirt. You can leave it like this or you can do as I did, as you can see. And yeah, I'm taking a cute sling bag to amp up the outfit. Here I'm wearing a straight pant with a black sleeveless top, which is pretty basic. To give it a more chic look, I'm just tucking the front part of the sleeveless top. As you can see, it's looking perfect, I guess. And to highlight the overall look, I'm just adding a scarf, and that's it. Now I'm wearing a black jeans with a black shirt. Yeah, I know it's boring, so let's change it. Yeah, I didn't tell you to play with it. Okay, so just tie a knot, and yeah, you are done. It's totally perfect. You are ready to rock the ramp, or you can simply wear another basic t-shirt or graphic t-shirt on the top of your shirt, as I am currently doing. As you can see, yes, it is very much popular in America and Australia, so welcome to America. So we are almost at the end of the video. Oh, lag gayi. Whatever. Here I'm wearing a trouser with a black sleeveless top. To give it a change, I'm wearing this shrug, which I love the most. I think this outfit looks very casual and stylish at the same time. Obviously it has to be stylish. Yeah, actually I think I should keep it simple like this. Yeah, what say guys? Comment down if you like this outfit, because it's my personal favorite. Yes, so comment down if you like it or not. I think I'm done with the outfit. I have nothing else to add more. Oh my god, why I'm dancing? Now, but not the least, I am wearing a kurti with leggings. I think this is the most common outfit, would say guys, but I'm changing these leggings into a trouser, as you can see, because I love this outfit. I love this kurti with this trouser. It totally makes a perfect outfit. And to give it a more color, I'm just wearing dupatta, and yeah, that's pretty much of it. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you loved this video because I tried to show you that how you can change the boring outfits into a new pretty one. I hope you get that, and do comment if you like it or not, share with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe the white butterfly and press the bell button so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And keep supporting guys, I really need your support. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All of the links will be in the description box, so please check that out. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeously.